Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Today's video is about 5 cute and intelligent AI robot companies which are very good for children's learning. So further without wasting any time, let's get started. Top of the list is Wonder Workshop. It is an education and robotics startup based in Silicon Valley in the United States. Formerly called PlayEye, Wonder Workshop ran a crowdfunding campaign in November 2013, where they introduced the robots Bo and Yana. They were subsequently renamed Dash and Dot before their launch in 2014. The company has currently raised $15.9 million in funding from Madrona Venture Group, CRV, Y Harper, Google Ventures, and others. In 2017, Wonder Workshop launched a new robot for ages 11 and older named Q. Q is similar to Dash in its shape and size and comes in different colors. The company is a gold winner in 2015 National Parenting Publications Award, and also got the Opening Minds USA Innovation Award. On number 2 is Sphero Inc., formerly Orbitix, founded by Ian Bernstein and Adam Wilson, is an American consumer robotics and toy company based in Boulder, Colorado. Their first product, the Sphero, is a white spherical robot launched in December 2011 capable of rolling around under the control of a smartphone or tablet. A remastered version, the Sphero 2.0, was launched in August 2013. In 2015, Sphero struck a licensing deal with Disney to create a BB-8 robot based on the Star Wars: The Force Awakens film. Following the success of that robot, Sphero also created a model of R2-D2 and Lightning McQueen. Sphero's current product lineup includes several spherical robots like the original Sphero, the Sphero Mini, Bolt, and sprk+. On February 19, 2019, Sphero announced a programmable tank tracked kit called the Sphero RVR on Kickstarter. Coming up is LEGO Mindstorms. LEGO Mindstorms is a hardware and software structure which develops programmable robots based on LEGO building blocks. Each version includes computer LEGO bricks, a set of modular sensors and motors, and parts from the LEGO Technic line to create the mechanical systems. The system is controlled by the LEGO bricks. While originally conceptualized and launched as a tool to support educational constructivism, Mindstorms has become the first home robotics kit available to a wide audience. It has developed a community of adult hobbyists and hackers following the product's launch in 1998. The LEGO Mindstorms EV3 is the third-generation LEGO Mindstorms product. EV3 is a further development of the NXT. The system was released on the 1st of September 2013. The LEGO Mindstorms EV3 set includes motors, sensors, the EV3 programmable brick, 550+ LEGO Technic elements, and a remote control. The EV3 can boot an alternative operating system from a microSD card, which makes it possible to run F3Dev, a Debian-based operating system. Up next is Anki. Anki was an American robotics and artificial intelligence startup that put robotics technology in products for children. Anki programmed physical objects to be intelligent and adaptable in the physical world, and aimed to solve the problems of positioning, reasoning, and execution in artificial intelligence and robotics. Anki's first product, Anki Drive, was released in Apple stores in the US and Canada. In October 2016, Anki launched Cozmo in the US. Cozmo is a robot about 4 inches by 3 by 2 inches. It is mostly white, with red details, and gray on the end of its robot arm. There is a light on top of its body, with a gray border, which can shine different colors. Cozmo comes with 3 illuminated cubes it communicates with in order to play games and can autonomously move, lift and roll the cubes, and the cubes are powered by LR1 and AM5 E90 batteries for power. Coming up next is Meccano Erector. Meccano is a brand of model construction system created in 1898 by Frank Hornby in Liverpool, England. The system consists of reusable metal strips, plates, angle girders, wheels, axles and gears, and plastic parts that are connected using nuts and bolts. It enables the building of working models and mechanical devices. In 1913, a very similar construction set was introduced in the United States under the brand name Erector. In 2000, Meccano bought the Erector brand and unified its presence on all continents. Its first model construction kit consisted of perforated metal strips, plates and girders, with wheels, pulleys, gears, shaft collars and axles for mechanisms and motion, and nuts and bolts and set screws to connect the pieces. It was more than just a toy, it was educational, teaching basic mechanical principles like levers and gearing. That's all for this video. See you soon.